So I just got these in the mail today and I'm so excited. And these are the new e.l.f. lip balms. Ooh. So I purchased all of the colors and now I am seriously stocked up for the summer with all of my lip balm needs and probably into the winter. But I am very excited to swatch these and try these on my lips and show you guys what they look like, and I'm just so excited. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in and welcome back to another episode of Girl's Guide to the Drugstore. Alright, so these are the new e.l.f. lip balms. These are $5 each. Of course, e.l.f. is always like super affordable, and I feel like lately their packaging has just been like amazing, and they have just been really kind of like upping their game with it, and it's making me excited. But it's so cool that they're still keeping products that are like affordable. I mean, $5 for a lip balm, that's pretty awesome, especially when you compare that to like higher end lip balms that are coming out now that are like $30+. And I'm like, why? But e.l.f. over here making some crazy claims, so I'm hoping this is gonna stay true to that saying and it's gonna be my ride or die. I am a lip balm gal, so it's kind of like, you know, a less version of a lip gloss, and I love lip gloss. Anyways, now I'm just rambling. So they come in 4 different shades and I picked up all 4 of them, and these are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which is really cool. And also, they are infused with jojoba oil and a vegan collagen, which I thought was very interesting. So it's supposed to give you a nice wash of color, which I am all here for, and it's supposed to repair dry lips, which I think that's what lip balm is intended for, so yeah. This is the outer packaging. And again, it just looks so cute. I feel like they're really just making their packaging just more fun and adorable. I love that it says ride or die on the side. That is just too cute. And the actual packaging itself of the tube, it looks really cool. And I actually like that it's in a squeezy tube. Usually I have a lip balm that's like in a stick form, but I just kind of like the idea of a squeezy tube. It's something different. I'm here for it. I think what I'm most excited for and hoping, crossing my fingers with these, because they have really cool names that sound like it would smell amazing. I'm hoping that they put amazing like scents in here, that it matches with the name. I mean, why wouldn't you? You know what I mean? Like this one is called Mighty Mint and I'm expecting it to smell like mint. So let's hope that they smell amazing, and let's go ahead and swatch these. Ooh. So this first one is their clear one and it is called Mighty Mint. And this one is just gonna have no color. It's just a clear lip balm. And again, look how beautiful the packaging is. It is so pretty. It has like this holographic-y shine to it. I don't know, it's just very sleek and I'm digging it. Wait, does it smell? Oh my gosh. Oh, it does, it does, it does. Okay, good. It smells like mint. Oh my gosh, that's promising. That means the other shades are probably gonna smell, and I'm just very excited for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. First, I'm gonna remove this foundation that is on my lips, because that's not cute. Okay, so not like you can see it anyways, because it's gonna be clear. Ooh, that is like super hydrating. That's a lip balm? That is so crazy. It literally feels like a gloss. That is so crazy. It literally feels like a gloss. It's kind of like mixing with the foundation on my lips. I can't get it fully off, but obviously it would just be like your skin color on your lips naturally, but just like glossy. And I thought it was gonna be like overly like minty. You know when you have like lip balms or lip products that have mint in it, it's kind of like tingly. It doesn't have that sensation whatsoever, but the actual texture feels amazing. And like, I'm kind of obsessed with that. All right, so the next one is called Just Peachy, and this one I'm excited about because I love anything peach. So if it smells like peaches, then I am really excited. Again, the packaging is so beautiful. It's kind of matching my nail polish right now. Absolutely love. Let's hope it smells amazing. And moment of truth. It's hard to smell it when it's like inside the tube. It's not as intense. Ooh, that color is pigmented. Oh, I can smell it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It reminds me kind of the Too Faced palette. I forgot the name of it. It's one of my favorites called like just Peachy or something peach palette. It's like the little smaller one. But when you open the eyeshadow palette, it just smells like fresh peaches and it's amazing. And this smells like it, but it almost smells like more like fresh, or it smells like a peach candy. Like it just smells very like tart, like a tart peach candy, like a peach ring. That's what I'm trying to think of. It smells like a peach ring and it's absolutely beautiful. Again, the consistency I am obsessed with. This color is so beautiful. It's like the perfect peachy, like nude almost. I am already in love with these. I'm going to be wearing these like crazy during the summertime because I love this light tint and wash of color like they did say on the website. It literally is, and it's so perfect. I mean, this color looks so beautiful and just natural and juicy and peachy, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. It's funny because when I was ordering these, I was thinking like, do I really need like 4 colors? It's just a lip balm, like it's not that big of a deal. But I'm really glad that I ordered all 4 because I literally am loving all the colors. And I like the idea of being able to have like a quick wash of color, but something is still hydrating your lips, you know what I mean? And it doesn't give that waxy feel that like balms in stick form do. It's just, all I can explain is that it's like a very creamy, like almost gloss-like balm that is just like hydrating. And as I'm like removing them off my lips, like my lips don't feel dry. They have like slight residue left over and they feel so hydrated. They feel like little pillows. Okay, enough rambling. Let's go on to this shade. This is called Roseberry. Look how pretty that packaging is. I'm excited for this because I love a berry shade, especially for summer. This smells so bomb. This kind of smells like, oh my gosh, what does it smell like? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, when you squeeze the tube, this one smells like when you walk into a Jamba Juice. Like, you know how there's a certain like smell that is like, I don't know, it's kind of like a pineapple-y, berry, like raspberry type of a scent when you walk into Jamba Juice and it's like right in your face kind of a smell. That's exactly what this smells like. I feel like I just walked into a Jamba Juice. Oh my gosh, the scent just gets a little more intense as you put it on and I love it. So if you are sensitive to smells in your products, you might not like this, but if you are like me and you love the experience of having a delicious smelling product, you're gonna like these. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It is like the perfect berry shade just for like an everyday look. And I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. Again, the formulation feels incredible. It smells amazing. And this is such a beautiful color. I'm obsessed. So this is the last shade and it is called Tough Cookie. And this one looks like it's kind of like a brown, but also a mauve shade. As you can see here, really pretty. I love that color. Oh my gosh. I wish I could have this color in like a nail polish. I would totally buy that. So pretty. So it's called Tough Cookie. So I'm assuming it's going to smell sweet and I'm so excited. Okay, this one out of the tube, you can't really smell anything. That's a little disappointing, but maybe as I apply it, I'll be able to smell it. Okay, so like I said, if you squeeze too hard, a lot of product will come out and it's kind of thick. This one feels a little bit thicker than the other ones. Oh, the color is so pretty. Oh, now I smell it. Yep, I can smell it on my finger. Oh, it's so nice. This one is like really pigmented. This is such a beautiful color. It's very like nude, but it has like a pink undertone to it. And it kind of reminds me of this gloss that I think it was Benefit that used to sell. And it was based off their like blush called Dallas, which was my favorite blush. And they've changed it and it's not the same, which is very infuriating. But they had a gloss that matched it and it was very similar to this like tone and like look to it. And I'm very excited about that. But it is so beautiful, natural, kind of more on the nudie side, but still absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I am not disappointed with these at all. These are impressive. I would say the packaging is great. The price is amazing and the actual formulation is just incredible. I love that it feels like a gloss, but it's hydrating and it doesn't feel like waxy like some balms do. It's just not what I expected at all, but like in the best way possible. And I'm really impressed. And first impression, I would say definitely recommend. You guys should try these, check them out. I mean, they're only $5 and you get 4 colors that are so pretty. Okay guys, so I am losing light. So I just wanted to show you on the back of my hand the swatches. Look how glossy and juicy these look. Like, does that not look amazing? So that is the peachy shade. This one is the more berry tone, basically Jamba Juice in a bottle. And then that one is the more like nudie pink. And then this one is the clear one. I'm honestly shocked that more people are not talking about this on YouTube because these are amazing. And I feel like when e.l.f. comes out with an amazing product, like, people need to talk about it because it's affordable and these are actually really incredible. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, and if you're gonna check these out, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.